Top 50 things to do in Italy. Number 1. Walk the streets of Rome. Every corner feels ancient, layered with history beneath your feet. Rome doesn't reveal itself all at once. It unfolds slowly, one story at a time. Number 2. See the Colosseum. Standing before it, you can almost hear the roar of the crowd. This arena once defined power, spectacle, and survival. Number 3. Visit Vatican City. Art, faith, and history collide in one place. The scale and detail feel overwhelming in the best possible way. Number 4. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain. Water echoes through stone as wishes disappear below the surface. Tradition says it guarantees a return to Rome. Number 5. Explore the Roman Forum ruins stretched beneath open sky where empires once ruled. This is where everyday Roman life unfolded. Before we go any further, if you're enjoying this journey through Italy so far, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and keep creating cinematic travel stories like this. Number 6. Wander the canals of Venice. Water replaces roads, and the city moves at a different pace. Venice feels fragile, romantic, and timeless. Number 7. Ride a gondola at sunset. Reflections ripple as buildings glow softly. It's quiet, intimate, and unforgettable. Number 8. Get lost in Venice. Back streets. Away from crowds, Venice becomes almost silent. These hidden paths reveal the city's true character. Number 9. Visit St. Mark's Basilica. Gold mosaics shimmer in shifting light. The interior feels more like a treasure chest than a church. Number 10. Cross the Rialto Bridge Merchants. History and movement converge here. It's one of Venice's most iconic crossings. Number 11. Explore Florence. Renaissance art and architecture surround you at every turn. Florence feels like walking through a living museum. Number 12. See Michelangelo's David. The sculpture feels impossibly lifelike. Standing before it is a humbling experience. Number 13. Walk across Ponte Vecchio. Shops cling to the bridge above flowing water. It's one of the most recognizable views in Italy. Number 14. Visit the Duomo in Florence. The dome dominates the skyline. Its scale and engineering still feel unbelievable. Number 15. Watch the sunset from Piazzale Michelangelo. Florence glows as the sun fades. The view feels earned and emotional. If Italy is already earning a spot on your bucket list, consider sharing this video with someone you'd explore it with. Every like, share, and subscription genuinely helps support the channel. Number 16. Drive through Tuscany. Rolling hills, vineyards, and stone villages stretch endlessly. This is Italy at its most cinematic. Number 17. Visit a Tuscan winery. Wine flows slowly here, meant to be enjoyed. Each glass tells a story of land and tradition. Number 18. Explore Pisa. Beyond the tower, quiet streets and river views surprise most visitors. The city is more than its famous lean. Number 19. Stand beneath the leaning tower of Pisa. The tilt feels unreal up close. It's playful, strange, and iconic. Number 20. Discover Cinque Terre. Colorful villages cling to cliffs above the sea. Every view looks hand-painted. Number 21. Hike between Cinque Terre villages. Trails wind above turquoise water. The effort is rewarded with unforgettable scenery. Number 22. Swim in the Italian Riviera. Clear water and rocky coves invite you in. Time slows along the coast. Number 23. Visit Milan. Fashion, finance, and history collide here. Milan feels sleek and powerful. Number 24. See the Last Supper. The painting feels fragile and intimate. Knowing its history makes the moment heavier. Number 25. Walk the Galleria. Vittorio Emanuele glass ceilings and marble floors surround you. Luxury feels historic here. We're halfway through the list, and if you've made it this far, you're exactly the kind of viewer this channel is built for. Subscribing helps us keep creating immersive travel stories like this. Number 26. Explore Lake. Como Mountains rise straight from the water. The calm feels almost unreal. Number 27. Take a boat ride on Lake Como. Villas glide past quietly. Every turn feels cinematic. Number 28. Visit Verona. Romance lingers in the air. The city feels intimate and timeless. Number 29. Stand in Juliet's courtyard. Love and legend collide here. It's symbolic, emotional, and quietly powerful. Number 30. Explore Pompeii streets. Frozen in time reveal daily Roman life. The silence feels heavy. Number 31. Walk the Amalfi Coast. Cliffs drop into deep blue water. Every step offers another breathtaking view. Number 32. Drive the Amalfi Coastal Road. Tight curves reveal endless sea. It's thrilling and unforgettable. Number 33. Visit Positano. Colorful homes cascade down the cliffs. The town feels like a dream. Number 34. Swim off the Amalfi Coast. Cool water contrasts with sun-warmed stone. The Mediterranean feels alive. Number 35. Explore Naples. Chaotic, passionate, and authentic. Naples wears its heart openly. If you're enjoying this experience, liking the video and sharing the channel helps more people discover it and helps us keep going. Number 36. Eat authentic Neapolitan pizza. Simple ingredients, perfect balance. This is where pizza was born. Number 37. Visit Mount Vesuvius. The volcano looms silently above the land. Its power still feels present. Number 38. Explore Sicily. Cultures overlap in every corner. Sicily feels ancient and raw. Number 39. Visit Mount Etna. Smoke drifts from Europe's most active volcano. The ground feels alive beneath you. Number 40. Walk the streets of Palermo. Markets, history, and grit blend together. The city feels unapologetically real. Number 41. Visit Sardinia's beaches. White sand and clear water rival anywhere in the world. The contrast to the mainland is striking. Number 42. Explore Matera. Homes carved into stone create an ancient maze. It feels biblical and timeless. Number 43. Visit Bologna. Food takes center stage here. Every meal feels intentional. Number 44. Eat fresh pasta in Italy. Simple dishes carry generations of tradition. It's comfort and culture combined. Number 45. Attend an Italian festival. Music, food, and community fill the streets. Celebration feels natural here. Number 46. Watch the sunset. Over the Mediterranean, light fades slowly across the water. The moment feels quiet and complete. Number 47. Sip espresso at a street cafe. Life passes by at a relaxed pace. You stop rushing without realizing it. Number 48. Explore a hilltop village. Stone streets and open views surround you. Time moves differently here. Number 49. Travel by train. Across Italy, landscapes change smoothly outside the window. It's one of the best ways to see the country. Number 50. Simply slow down in Italy. Italy isn't meant to be rushed. The greatest experience is learning to enjoy the moment. If this video earned a place on your bucket list, let us know in the comments which Italian experience you do first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. It truly helps us grow, and we appreciate you being here. Settings. Add bold subtitles with popping effect. Use appropriate media. Use a male voice for the narrator.